This creature was a living nightmare, and for 100 years, we got it completely wrong. Deep in the Cambrian Ocean, something impossible crawled. A worm-like body covered in deadly spikes. 7 pairs of sharp spines lined its back, a perfect defense. Below, 7 pairs of spindly, claw-tipped legs scrabbled along the seafloor. It looked like something from a hallucination. That's why scientists named it Hallucigenia. For decades, they thought those long, sharp spines were its legs. They imagined it stumbling awkwardly across the ocean floor, a bizarre, failed experiment of evolution. They couldn't even find its head, just a dark stain at one end. A creature with no eyes, no mouth, no face. It was a mystery wrapped in a riddle. But then, new fossils changed everything. Advanced imaging peeled back the layers of stone, and the truth was far stranger than anyone imagined. Those sharp spines weren't legs, they were armor. The real legs were the delicate clawed tentacles underneath. It walked on these like tiny stilts, and that dark stain at one end. It wasn't its tail, it was its head. A simple head with a pair of simple eyes and a mouth surrounded by a ring of needle-like teeth. They had been looking at it upside down and backward for a century. This tiny horror wasn't stumbling. It was a well-defended scavenger, marching confidently through the alien underwater world. Imagine it, a whole army of these spiny crawlers marching in the dark. A carpet of walking nightmares. They scoured the ancient seabed, devouring the dead and the dying. Anything that tried to attack it would be met with a wall of daggers. Hallucigenia wasn't a mistake, it was a survivor. A perfectly adapted creature from a time when life itself was an experiment. It proves that in the deep past, the rules of biology were still being written, and some of the first drafts were the most terrifying things to ever exist. This was just one bizarre creature from the Cambrian explosion, but what swam in the waters above it was even more alien.